Hello everyone. In this video, I will let you know about the new updated version, that is a V2 of LMS. Okay, so right now I just logged in as a teacher. I already make a video how to use in a laptop. You can watch there. Now, once you click on LMS, directly come to the My Course. After that, I'm just selecting a chapter or a subject or class, that is a 5 science. Right. After selecting this, come to the details, and if you know about this one, I'll just simply click here. This one, the green icon, and I just select a chapter or a session. This one, right? So just go back. Just click here, right? Now come to the live lecture. Here, once you click on a start live lecture, then we have a four option. You can see the four checkbox we have. The first one we have, this one's I'm just talking about the old version and new version, that's it below. So if you click on an old version, so simply whatever the you are using, so you can use that. If you want to use our new version, then click on it. Okay, you already know about the allow principal admin of a live lecture. Now come to the this one, that is a conductor trial lecture. This means suppose whenever you click on this one, not a single student get notified of a particular class. So you can take a trial if you want anytime. Okay, even no one can watch their video also. Suppose no one can get notified if they want to watch, they also can't do that. So you have to just click on it and then click on continue. But right now, because I have to also show as a student, so I'm not going to click on it and then click on continue. Now previously what happened, whenever we start a lecture in a laptop or a mobile, it will be show a new pop-up tab or a window, you can say, in a laptop. But right now it will be so like add in another tab only. So right now you can see I have just only one tab, you can see. Now once it will become another tab will be open. Yeah, see, that is a tab 2. You can see here, that is a tab 1 and that is the tab 2. Okay, so I am also let you know about uh, that I will let you know about how to join the student also. So I'm just clicking on the students in my laptop. Now if you want uh, to check the updated features what we have, so I'm just mute my camera, sorry, mic. So now you can see. Now here we have, you already know about this enable or disable videos. You all know those things. Now these are the chat box. You already know it. Where the two things that we updated in the mobile version. We have the lots more changes, but only for the desktop. Right here, once you click on this bell icon, it means all the notification will be disabled. Mute. Right, means suppose sometimes you are conducting a live lecture and the students are just raising their hand, and you will see a beep sound and a tune, and sometimes it like so you are irritated. Okay, so if you want to mute, then you can mute. Then you will not hear the sound, but you can listen, but you can show the notification or the raise hand option now. And this one, just click on this one. Now once you click on the participant, you are able to see the numbers of participant. Now this one is a very good. If you want to pull any student, right, and if you want to see what they are doing, so simply click on their name and you can see there is a plus button. Right, once you click on plus button, the student will come live. Either they raise their hand or not, but once you click on the plus button, and you can see I'm just live. I can't do anything from my side. Right, so now once you if you want to just to close this one, you click on this one also and then apply. So these are the features that has been added in a mobile only. There's a two only. Now the simply already know to in the live lecture, the click on this cross one, then click on yes.